Hello, happy Friday. Hello, everyone. I'm coming to you today from the midst of a kerfuffle because my plans have been massively changed kind of last minute, and that is why we're not doing a live tonight. We're doing a pre-recorded video. By the way, I know that my forehead is bleeding. That is not part of the kerfuffle. I burned myself with curling iron because I have many life skills and I'm coordinated and safe at all times. Anyway, basically, let me tell you about what's happening. Yesterday, I got a call for the gig that I'm doing on Friday. As we know, December is the busiest time of the year for all artists in France and I think around the world with different shows and events. I have shows and rehearsals and events happening almost every day in December, and the schedule's really tight, but it's been going very smoothly until I got the call yesterday that the event that I'm doing tomorrow, Saturday, wanted me to be at a 9 a.m. rehearsal. Problem with that is the event is a 5-hour drive away from Chateau, where I am right now. So I said, I can only be at a 9 a.m. rehearsal if you pay for a hotel for me on Friday night. And they agreed to that because they're very nice and professional. But that means I'm going to have to do a 5-hour drive to the north of France today, which means that I'm going to be driving as this video is premiering. So the time when we normally do a live, I will be on the road. So I thought instead, since I can't do a live, that we would do a patron video. As you guys probably know, we have a Patreon, and every week or so I upload a special little behind the scenes patron video, and I thought that I would share one of those with you guys today. This video is me and Laurent installing and working on some stuff in the shower room on the second floor at Everdeen, and I thought it'd be a nice little thing to throw in to fix the kerfuffle, as it were. And that you guys would enjoy it. For patrons, I'm sorry that this is probably something you've already seen, but I wanted to make sure that we're including our patrons in like having fresh and fun content this week. So what I'm going to do for patrons is put on the Patreon page a couple of photo albums of some behind the scenes photos that I have not shared with you guys, of just like things of me and the helpers and Laurent having fun and doing work at Everdeen, just kind of family photos that will give you a little bit of behind the scenes insight into stuff going on at Everdeen. And then I thought I might also upload like my full performance from one of the shows that I'm doing this weekend, so you guys can see what I'm currently up to and why this is all kerfuffed. Is that a word? What is the like past tense of kerfuffle? Kerfuffed? Anyway, I'll stop nattering on now. But yeah, patrons, you'll be getting some fresh content. And for everyone else, here's a nice patron video that you guys have not seen yet to enjoy now. So please do enjoy, and I will see you guys soon. I'll see you on Monday, where we'll be having a whole full-length new video of work that I did at Everdeen. The formerly yellow, no longer yellow, 1930s bedroom. So there'll be a full-length Everdeen video of construction and painting and all kinds of good stuff on Monday. But for now, let's flash back to the summer, and here is some work in the small shower room. Hello. Someone is happy they get to use their drill.
Yeah, such a good day.
What are you working on?
I'm adding the small shower basket.
Oh, it's looking fancy.
Yes.
So, ooh, very close. So this is the shower basket that we are attempting to put into the shower.
Well, that we are putting.
Putting, yes, not attempting.
No.
Well, you asked me if I want to do it, and I said I was too scared of breaking the beautiful tiles that I worked so hard on.
Because it involves drilling holes through the tiles.
Yeah.
And
way too scary for me. Oh. This is a big step forward, because before, all of the products were just on the floor of the shower. And it's not quite big enough to bend over comfortably, so big step forward.
I'm warm. I'm so warm.
Are you okay?
Oh, it's so warm in here.
So what's our next step in the bathroom here?
Putting the cabinet on the wall.
So here's the cabinet, the medicine cabinet.
it's really kind of the maximum size that would fit in.
Yeah.
But it should fit. So.
And I think that it's good because on the front of it there are mirrors.
Yeah.
There's the mirrors on the doors of it, and so actually having the maximum size with the big mirrors will make the room look bigger.
Good.
I'm glad that this is kind of the last very small room that we're doing. All the other rooms we have to do are bigger because when it's a very small room, two people don't fit in at the same time to work, and then I feel really guilty because I'm just standing outside the room watching you work.
Oh, I guess you feel very guilty
I
about
do.
that.
I want to help. Ooh. This mirror situation is going to make the bathroom look so much bigger. Here it is, the finished product. This medicine cabinet is literally exactly the perfect size. Oh, hello. Because if it was any wider, it would not fit in this space. But it fills up the whole wall, and it's got the mirrors, and that just make this room feel so much bigger and so much more light, because I was worried about this room being a little bit dark since there's not a window in it. The other thing that makes it feel very light is this lovely little light fixture that we found at the hardware store. And I love that. It's not a chandelier, I know, surprising, but it's kind of chandelier adjacent, let's say. And then here's my very, very favorite thing about what's happening in this bathroom. If we open up the lovely medicine cabinet, which also has mirrors on the inside of the doors, which is so nice. Inside, Laurent installed my makeup mirror with LED lights around it. That's also from the hardware store. I think it was about 25 euros, and it's my favorite thing. I love it. I'm obsessed with this kind of makeup mirror. Hello. That's spooky. You can just see my eyes and I look creepy. Anyway, I also love, if I turn off the light here, that it comes out on this little arm so I can get it really close to my face while I'm doing my makeup. So nice. Anyway, there's the finished product as I fold that back into its beautiful little space. And things are getting very, very fancy and finished feeling here in the shower room. The last little touches we need to do are I still need to put something happening on this wall. I think we're going to paint part of it a very pale green and maybe do a little bit of like the faux wainscoting wood paneling that we've done in other rooms. And then we need to refinish this door because it's just an old door. It needs new paint. It needs a touch up. And then over here, we've got just a little bit of the rot that has been happening. I'm not sure if this is rot from humidity from the shower, because it's been like this since I bought the house, or if it was some kind of insect, but we have inspected it very closely for insects, and there's no sign of live insects. And if you look, it looks like it's just a soft little wood rot there. So we need to fill that in, refinish the door, and then do something with the walls over here. And then I think the shower room will be done. I'm coming back into the kitchen to finish this video in the good light. That is the deal with the shower room. We have a big, beautiful medicine cabinet. We have a nice lighting fixture, and we have my favorite, the makeup mirror. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little extra. In the meantime, I will see you guys soon. And big hugs from Everdeen, and I'll see you next time.